Yo! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm working on a 2018 Subaru WRX. The owner of this car is a good friend of mine. He's been watching my Instagram stories, YouTube videos to show his support and to learn from it. He started working at a young age and earned enough to purchase this car. He reached out to me one day after seeing a complete transformation on a car I did, and he was interested in dialing in his car. From what he told me, the car unfortunately sits outside 24/7, and he only took it to the automatic car washes on rare occasions. That would explain all the scratches and swirl marks on the paint, as well as a lot of etching by bird shit and tree sap. The paint was also very dull for a 1-year, 6-month-old car. The infamous rally blue color on Subarus had a lot of potential once the paint is improved by machine polishing. He showed me a lot of substantial amount of rock chips and dings on the car from people parking on hills and letting the doors open irresponsibly without factoring in the gravity from parallel parking. So we're going to thoroughly wash the car, decontaminate the paint with Iron X, clay bar treatment, one-step paint correction with a good finish compound, and protect the paint with a paint sealant. After I was done with the car, I picked him up and gave him a ride to the shop. After I turned on all the shop lights, the paint was really shiny. He mentioned even when he bought it from the dealership, it didn't even look that good. I hear this statement over and over again from my experience working on new cars. The dealerships don't care about anything else besides getting you to sign the paperwork for the car and out the door you go. The good thing about that is I'm able to use my knowledge, experience, expertise, and make these supposedly new cars look the way it should be. It always makes me happy when I'm able to make a brand new car look better than it was. It's easy to clean a trash car and make a good turnaround, but it's much harder to change people's perception of a newer car that needs to be detailed. If you guys enjoy these business operation content videos, I need you guys to smash the like button, drop a comment or question, and hit that subscribe button. For those that made it to the end, I left a teaser for my next video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Every so often, I see or hear something that just brings back memories to the good old days. What I'm experiencing is quite a common train of thoughts called nostalgia. From used to seeing a person or people 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, to once in a blue moon. People grow and change. It's never easy being away from something that we're familiar with, but change is necessary for self-growth and improvement. My old coworkers, also good friends now, hit me up asking if I could help with detailing their cars. Whenever I get a chance to help others, I seize the opportunity right away. Leaders create other leaders, and I lead by example.